How to sign up for a Google account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'm going to teach you guys on signing up with your Google account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to launch any of the web browser on your computer and then go to the search bar and type in Google account and hit enter. You will come across various websites from where you need to click on the initial one that is indicating Google account sign in. Click on it. If you already have a Google account, simply enter the phone number or the email address in the first field and then follow the on-screen instructions by entering the password in order to directly log into your Google account. But in the case if you do not have an account and you want to sign in, simply go ahead and click on the create account option over here. Select either it's for the personal use for your child or for your work or the business. So I'm going to go for the personal use. Then enter the first name, your last name, which is optional, then click on next. Now enter the correct form of your birth date and your gender. Now click on next. After that, set a username for your Google account. Then click on next. Now in this page, you have to set a password, which must be strong with a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Also, confirm the password in the second field and then click on next. If you want, you can also add a recovery email address so that the Google can contact you if there is unusual activity in your account or if you get logged out. Now click on next. Scroll all the way down and agree to the terms and conditions. And here you can see that your Google account has been successfully created. This is how you can sign up to your Google account. If you found this video informative, do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tips and tutorials. And don't forget to hit that bell icon to stay updated with our latest contents. Thank you for your viewership and support. See you in the next one.